Okay. So looking at these, if I use the shortcut, since I have the base E here and a power to the E, what's my answer? Yeah, just the exponent. This one, I would want to rewrite it as E to the what? Very good. And whatever the exponent is the power, so the 2 is the top number. And then it's a cubed root, whatever the root is the bottom number. So what's your answer? 2/3. It's just the power, because natural log me basically cancel each other out because they're inverses. We have a 2 times a log, so I can change that to a power. What's the base of this log? Yeah, it's a common log. There's no number there, so it is an understood 10. So since those match up, your answer is just the argument part, the x squared. Okay, this one I have a 2. Change it into a power. This is 2 times the log. Natural log of x plus 1 squared. They have the same base because the natural log is the log base E, so what's my answer? So the whole argument. Yeah, it's basically those go away. And it's x plus 1 squared. And they might want you to multiply that out. It would just depend. If it was a free response question, I would take either answer. If it was multiple choice, you would just have to look at your multiple choice and see which ones, how they wrote it. What about this one? Yeah, so it's x plus 2. Let's go away. This one is close to it, but we got to be careful. Notice it doesn't say like that. That's how this one is different from the one on the left. There's no parentheses there. So that means that that's e to the natural log of x times, because remember, if you're adding the exponents, they had to originally be multiplied together, e squared. So what's this one? Just this part, just the one I've boxed. X. And then over here, there is no x. It's just e squared. There's your answer. X times e squared. Five squared is 25. Oh, no. I see. This is little. The 2 plus log base 5 of x, those are exponents. So I have to do what I did with the e. I have to write it as 5 squared times 5 log base 5 of x. Because remember, if they're multiplied, then I add the exponents. So I'm just doing the opposites. If I added the exponents, that they had to be multiplied together. 5 squared is what? 25. 5 times log base 5 of x. X. You try the last one. Okay, log of 10 to the 3x. What's that? 3x, yeah. Remember, if it's a log without a base, it's an understood 10. So since those match up, it's just 3x. Natural log of e cubed. 3. Again, natural log of e cubed, that's really a little e there. So that's why it's just 3. Okay, I'm going to fill in some of these written things on the side later on, because I don't necessarily like the way this is having to do it. So we're just going to work with the problem first. Bell's probably going to ring, and that's all right. The first thing you want to do is get the exponential expression all by itself. So this 2 to the 3 minus 2x, I need to isolate it. So we subtract 3 from both sides. Then we have 2 to the 3 minus 2x equals 8. Then, this is something we've already done. We have, this is a 2. I need to see if I can rewrite this involving 2's. So 8, I can break down into how many 2's? 3 of them, that's right. So 2 to the 3 minus 2x equals 2 to the 3rd. Big 2's are the same, so the exponents have to be the same. Solve this, subtract the 3, you get negative 2x equals 0. Divide by negative 2, x is 0. Same thing here. I want to get the exponential expression by itself, so that's the e to the whatever. So I divide by 3. I get e to the 2x plus 1 equals 4. Then, on the last problem, I tried to make the two bases the same. Well, I can't break down 4 into e's. So, what we do is we take the log of both sides. And since it's an e, I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So what that means is I'm going to take natural log of e to the 2x plus 1 and the natural log of 4. What happens over here?
You just take the 2x plus...
Yeah, natural log of e, they have the same base. Those go away. You just have 2x plus 1. And then just think of natural log of 4 as a number. It's like 12. It just all goes together. It's not 12, but it's a number. So I would subtract 1. I get 2x equals the natural log of 4 minus 1. Can't make that the natural log of 3. Because natural log of 4 is a number in and of itself. And then divide by 2. This was a non-calculator problem, you'd leave it like that. If it was a calculator problem, you'd just type that in. Natural log of 4, close parentheses, minus 1, and then divided by 2, you end up with 0.193. So it just depends on whether it's calculator or non-calculator. I guess we're started. Okay, make sure you do the other day of homework. What day was it? 57? Bye, y'all.
Do the Monday of spring break?
No, I will make it do the Monday after spring break. But I would recommend that you do it this week so you don't have homework.